and you impregnate a woman, prepare for delivery day.
Hello my people, how una dey? Hope una dey fine. Una see this video wey I put for here. Una remember this man wey be say im wife come get belle, e come rush am go hospital. So when hospital come tell am say he must deposit 500,000 before dem start treatment, otherwise dem no go treat am. I believe say many people remember the video. Many video come dey fly come out when dem come dey like accuse the man say why e be say you wey give a woman belle, why you no keep money? You know say your wife fit born at any time, you for keep money. Instead of them to dey say the way health issue be for Nigeria say no good, they even come dey go against this man. Me, I never see this kind country called Nigeria. I will put the video for now. Una lis ten to wetin the man dey talk, because no be so it's supposed to be. Instead of them, I make them many people dey talk and say na the people wey dey for the Nigeria na dey worst the Nigeria. Instead of them to say person just kpai with belle with pikin, instead of una to treat am, no be say e come hospital come say una come give am food or maybe e just come there e come dey play. No, when person go hospital na because of say something is wrong somewhere. Dem come leave this woman, make this woman kpai because this man come carry am comot, carry am go another hospital. They think say maybe e go fit do something. Una know when somebody get belle, at that moment wey the person just dey complain, maybe something is wrong inside because you no go see am. They need to do something quick and wow, dem no be like that. Dem first dey demand for money. This man come talk say na only 100,000 na im dey with am, no be say e no even get money at all. He even tell dem say make dem treat im wife na till evening, he go make sure say e complete the money. Dem say lie una know the way that thing e no suppose to be like that for that our country. E no suppose to be like that. E suppose to be say when somebody come, even though say no get any money, una go treat am. If una don treat am, if una wan even delay the person for there, good and fine, because una know now the way the country be. Make the person go look for money. This man say him tell them everything. Say una see him wife, e no dey talk again. Even as una see with the time wey dey inside car, e dey open eyes small. When he carry am reach there, the thing come e come increase. The woman no come dey talk again. He come dey beg, abeg make una save am, I go find the money, I go do everything. Nothing. They no care. Many people dey kpai like this. So now that man come dey talk say the man now, you as you give woman belle, you need to carry money put for one corner because of anything fit come outside. Can you imagine? That country e dey fear me one kind. The way dem take dey do all this when it comes to health issue, they no even care. If you like you buy, no concern them. They will say now you no get the money. E no supposed to be like that. Say you no get money, they no treat you. Why? They supposed to change all these things. Anybody wey come on and treat them. Make I put this video for una, make una watch. Una see the way the man come dey talk say if for keep money. I don't know whether they keep money for Nigeria. Instead of you to say against all those people wey do that kind of thing, say no good. We are talking about human being wey you know fit create. Una just let am go like that. Two person for that matter, not be say na one. The woman wey get the belle, the pikin wey dey for inside, they kpai like that just go because of 500,000 wey be say the man no deposit. Make I put this video. Una bye for now. May their gentle soul rest in perfect peace.
And you impregnate a woman, prepare for delivery day.
All right.
Don't say when you get to the hospital, they should allow you to go and borrow money and come back.
All right.
That's irresponsibility of the highest of
the highest irresponsibility. It's okay. There are many ways to every story. Maybe because you heard that the hospital didn't ask me for the money, that's why you are concluding this way. Sir, with due respect, this is not my first child. When my wife gave belle, we take care of her to the best of my ability. And I never come public or come meet you, sir, make you borrow me money, make I take do antenatal, make I take do naming, or make I take feed my children. Do you understand? So, excuse me, sir, I saved money, but I didn't save 500,000. Okay? I saved money for that day. But they asked me for 500,000 deposit, not full payment. 500,000 deposit. I didn't have that. All the money we I think gathered that day, no go pass 100K. Yes. I don't know if it's an offense if you don't have up to 500,000 when your wife won't born. I don't know if it's an offense to to now live below 500,000 a year because you are talking as the highest irresponsibility because I don't get 500,000. Now, wow. So it's even a crime to be poor in Nigeria. Anyway, it's okay. But I'm just doing the video not to insult anybody. I'm doing this video to let you know, sir. Say I saved up money, but I didn't save up to 500,000. Of course, I don't have 500,000. Immediately they asked me for 500,000. I told them that I have some money, but I don't have 500,000. They should give me some time. In short, I said before the end of that day, make they give me till the end of that day, I will raise the fund. All I have to do is to probably sell some of my animals. If you don't reach, call my family member, call our own family member. Sir, Mr. Ruben, unfortunately, the second they were able to raise that money, we will spend for mortuary. So, Baba, make una the reason why before una they conclude on talk so. If they don't ask me for money, will I come out and say they ask me for money? If I ask you for something, if you say you don't get, no be to find another way go. Will I be begging you? Why will I beg you when you don't already tell me say you don't get? I saved up money, but I didn't save up to 500,000. And 500,000 they requested for was a deposit according to them. And I begged them to let me drop whatever I have so I can raise the remaining before the end of that day. They said no. They said no. So now is it a crime now if as an ordinary Nigerian, if you cannot save up 500,000 when your wife is heavily pregnant, is that a crime? No, now. No, I mean, not the reason I went. Yes, I did not register at Asalam, and I'm not claiming that Asalam was the one who killed my wife. But then, the midwife will go. When I see the thing, the baby know they come, my wife know if you push again on the week. Now I say, we do scan for your information. And she dey go to, although I know they follow and go the clinic or the place where you go to take medical treatment, but she dey tell me when she come back and I dey give her money to go do tests, to go do all the necessary things. And my wife was perfectly okay up to the day when that happened. So anybody fit be a victim of complication or whatever it is. I don't know what it is. And perhaps, I don't know where they get no dey my wife body. She's very okay. Nothing as such. She dey chop well. She dey live well. She was very happy. So where the blood suddenly go that very morning? All lies. Everybody they try protecting image, protecting company, but the truth be.
Oh my goodness, Kemi, look at me. Be strong, okay, Kemi. Be strong. Be very strong. Yeah. Look at me. Look at yourself. Think about your kids, please. You need to be very strong for me. You need to be very strong. Please. Move anywhere. Move, go. I beg. Anywhere. Be strong, please. Be strong.